Which is better, turmeric extract or turmeric powder? This is a question you might have when searching for a turmeric supplement or if you're looking to get some of those amazing benefits of turmeric. Turmeric powder is derived from the turmeric plant, as is turmeric extract. So what are the main differences? We're going to be discussing those. We'll start with turmeric powder. Turmeric powder has about 3 to 5% curcuminoids. This is the main difference between the two. Turmeric extract has 95% curcuminoids. This is important because the curcuminoids contain most of those antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. There are many research studies showing that if you get between 500 and 2,000 milligrams of curcumin, and curcumin is one of those curcuminoids. There's 3 main types. If you get that dose, then there are so many health benefits. It's been shown to help people with digestive issues. It's been shown to help with cancer. It's been shown to help with joint pain and arthritis and autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. And inflammation is not always bad, but sometimes our body gets this out of control inflammatory response. And so curcumin, which is the active ingredient in turmeric, it helps to regulate and control this inflammatory and immune response in the body. So it helps your body to normalize itself so you can have an appropriate response. This can help you with injuries. It can help soothe some of the stiffness that's in your joints. But remember, the studies recommended that you get between 500 and 2,000 milligrams of turmeric extract. And turmeric extract contains the highest concentration of curcuminoids. Now, active Atoms turmeric contains 750 milligrams of turmeric extract in 1 capsule. Let's compare that to some of the other companies that are out there. If you go onto Amazon and you search for turmeric, you're going to find that many of these companies only have 50 to 150 milligrams of turmeric extract per capsule. Could you imagine how many capsules that you're going to have to take to get the recommended dose? In one study in 2019, it showed that you needed to take 15 milligrams of turmeric extract for 28 days. You would have to take 30 capsules from one of the top selling companies on Amazon to get that recommended dose. Because they only have 50 milligrams in 1 capsule, you'd have to multiply that by 30 and then you would get 1,500 milligrams. So no one is going to realistically take that many capsules. And that's why Active Atoms is so potent and so powerful. And this is also why we recommend a turmeric extract supplement. You're just going to get more benefits when you're getting the extract compared to the root. Again, the root is only 3 to 5% curcuminoids. But here is a trick that a lot of companies do to you. When you're going to look at the supplement facts label, they often hide the amount of turmeric extract. They either hide it in a proprietary blend, so you don't know what percentage is turmeric extract and what percentage is turmeric root, or they will list the turmeric the turmeric powder in their advertisement or on their bottle, and they'll say that they have 1,500 milligrams or 2,000 milligrams of turmeric. But they're talking about turmeric powder, not the turmeric extract. The turmeric powder is also the stuff that is in your spice rack. That is the stuff that you use to cook with. And there is a kind of a secret problem to taking a lot of or eating a lot of turmeric powder. For one, it doesn't have the same potency as extract, and 2, there is the possibility of lead contamination in turmeric. Specifically turmeric that is coming from Bangladesh. There was a 2019 Stanford lead study that looked at some of the toxicity problems that they were having among the people that lived in Bangladesh, and they found that some people had elevated levels of lead in the blood, and this was found that it was from the turmeric that they had. So they were adding some chemicals into it to make it look brighter in the orange color, and this was leading to some of the turmeric being contaminated. So that is a serious concern if you are taking a lot of turmeric powder. The turmeric extract goes through a filtration process in order to extract so much of those curcuminoids and to get it at a consistent 95% of the whole formula. You're gonna have to filter out some of those contaminants. And so turmeric extract is much less likely to be contaminated by lead than turmeric powder. But we don't take any chances at active atoms. We send each batch to an independent lab to test for lead. We want to make sure that we're meeting the most strict FDA standards, and we do. You can consider our turmeric levels of lead undetectable. And that is really important because lead can be toxic, it can damage nerve cells, it can damage brain cells. So it's something to consider the next time that you are shopping for a turmeric supplement. It's an important thing to consider. You want to make sure that that company that you're buying from is testing for lead. And if they're not, then you want to email them and ask for their lab results, or ask them for whether or not they test for lead. And you might find that they actually don't. So you don't have to worry about any of that with active atoms. We test for lead. We have 750 milligrams of turmeric extract in one capsule, so you don't have to take 15 or 30 different capsules to get the recommended dose. You only have to take one capsule. So if you want to learn more about the benefits of turmeric, then head over to activeatoms.com. Go to our learning center. Read some of the articles that we have. We have well-referenced, research-based articles that talk about all the benefits of turmeric extract for all these various conditions. So head over there and start adding active atoms to your daily supplement routine.